Hello coders, I have come up again with another problem scenario in which the user is required to insert a blank row after every record that is being inserted in this particular data set which is being shown to you. So what I am trying to say that after Ashish Haldar there will be a blank row. Again after Binoy Adhikari there will be a blank row. Now you can easily assume that if there are 50,000 records present in your data set, it will be a tedious job to achieve this particular problem set scenario. So how we can do that? Using Excel in a simple way. So first of all, let me select this particular two cell and press Ctrl minus from my keyboard to delete the cell what I had inserted for explanation. I'll be inserting a blank row. Control Shift plus or Control Shift plus is the plus sign which is present before the backspace, and Control plus means from the numeric key. So here I will be writing serial number. This is a helper class which will be deleting after achieving the goal. So I will be writing 1 and pressing enter. Then what I will be doing is that I will be taking the help of fill handler to fill the series. So left click and drag all the way across to the down in here, and this is the fill handler, fill series. What we will be doing is that we will be copying this set of 1 to 6, this particular set of data, and we will be pasting it. Control D. Fine. Now what we need to do is that we need to select this particular range of cells. Yeah. After selecting it, what we will be doing is that we will be going to this shorten filter option and sort smallest to the largest. Fine. Now all we need to do is that we need to click on this column and press Ctrl minus from the keyboard to delete the helper column, and that's how you can. So see, after every record there is a blank row, so you can easily assume that if there are 15,000 records, there will be an alternate blank row after it. So that was the problem set scenario, and that's how we overcome it and achieve our goal. So that's all for this video tutorial, a short tutorial, Excel. Happy coding.